In this video, I'm going to reveal how much money you can make working for a YouTube channel. I'm also going to share with you the top 10 best paying metropolitan areas to work for a YouTube channel to make more money. And later on, I'll dive into how much money the top 10 YouTubers make. All of this to help you decide if YouTube is a career path for you or a side hustle. According to ZipRecruiter, the average YouTube channel job makes about $60,000 per year. Now in the US, annual salaries for jobs on a YouTube channel can range from $13,500 to over a six-figure income of $134,000. Now most salaries lie between $40,500 and over $63,000, with some salaries making a larger than average annual salary of over $102,000. So after hearing this, you might be wondering, if the average job for a YouTube channel is making over $60,000 a year, just how much are the top 10 YouTubers making to pay this kind of salary? To give you an idea of just how lucrative it can be to make money from a YouTube channel, the 10 highest money-making YouTubers in 2021 collectively made about $300 million, which is up 40% from 2020. The highest money-making YouTube star in 2021 was Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast had more than 10 billion views in 2021, which helped him make about $54 million that year. Now, this is more than double what the highest money-making YouTube star, Ryan Kaji, made in 2020 when he was paid over $29 million at just 8-9 years old. To give you an idea of the views and level of money that is being made by top YouTubers, Mr. Beast, within only 8 days, made a remake of Netflix's Squid Game, which got a mind-boggling 142 million views. Yes, you heard that right. And while there's no clear indication of what he made in terms of profits on that video, it did cost him about $3.5 million to make. To put this into perspective, the original Netflix series Squid Game, on which his video was based, cost an estimated $21.4 million to make, or approximately $2.4 million per hour-long episode. You can make a lot of money from YouTube without being a superstar. Getting a job with a YouTube channel can also be very lucrative. YouTube creators get paid in various ways, but the primary way a YouTuber makes money is through ad revenue. To make money from YouTube ads, a YouTuber has to first join the YouTube Partner Program. Now, you could do this by applying to the program once your channel reaches 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. And once you become a YouTube partner, you can start making money from the ads on your channel. As a YouTube partner, the amount of money you can make varies widely. Now, you could expect to make from $1 to $50 or more per 1,000 views, or clicks per mille, which is short CPM, depending on what type of content you make, of course. For example, if you make video game content, you're going to make ad money on the lower end of that range. And if you make personal finance or money-making type of content, you're going to make ad revenue at the higher end of that range. Now, despite the CPM rate, the truth is that you make less than what it claims. Now, this is because YouTube divides its ad revenue when working with creators. 45% goes to them, while 55% goes to you. So that means you get paid $55 for every $100 of ad revenue. YouTube keeps the remaining 45. To measure your true earnings, you need to use RPM, revenue per mille. Put simply, this figure is a measure of your earnings per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. It would be a mistake to believe that it's too late to make money from YouTube. On the contrary, YouTube as a money-making platform is in its infancy. The world's top 10 channels have been exploiting the opportunities with YouTube and generating millions of dollars in ad revenue. The top 10 YouTube channels cover a variety of niches. Gaming and life hacks are some of the most popular niches on YouTube. So, making money on YouTube boils down to identifying an appropriate niche that you truly enjoy, creating content around, and then consistently creating engaging videos with exceptional quality. Life hacks, unboxing videos, especially for kids' toys, fails or extreme stunts, health and fitness, and food reviews are very popular, as are animal videos and personal finance. There's no official data about topic rankings according to monetization on YouTube, but watch times of certain topics have definitely increased. For example, Study skills videos have been watched more than 3 times as much in 2022 as the year prior, and recipe-related videos have been watched 2.5 times as much over the past 2 years. Making videos that people want to watch for a longer period of time is one of the keys to making more money on YouTube. Monetizing your YouTube channel through ads is the go-to strategy for most creators, but that doesn't mean it's the only way to make money on this platform. Unconventional revenue streams for YouTubers are becoming more common. For example, Mr. Beast markets the Mr. Beast Burger, which is only available using an app, and his partnership with more than 1,600 restaurants nationwide. Now, YouTubers can also make more money with Patreon memberships and do affiliate marketing with partners like Amazon. Other YouTube channels like Unspeakable have sold their monetization rights to their past videos to a company named Spotter. Now, this is another way for YouTubers to make money. YouTubers have the potential to earn even more money by utilizing what's called super chats. Now, this allows viewers to pay in order to highlight their chat messages, as well as super stickers and channel memberships that offer exclusive benefits for a recurring fee. You can see how making money on YouTube can really start to add up. Now, if you want to get a shot at this kind of money, then launching a YouTube channel is your best bet. If that's not your cup of tea, then working as part of a YouTuber's channel will be the perfect way to get in on this lucrative industry. And believe it or not, 2 of the top YouTuber money-making channels in 2021 were channels featuring kids under 10. Nastia, the YouTube star from the Like Nastia channel, made $28 million last year and came in at number 6 on the Forbes list. She has over 103 million subscribers, and last year, part of her large payday was selling monetization rights on her old videos to venture capitalist Spotter. If instead you decide to take a job with a YouTube channel, it's good to know that the average YouTube channel job in the US for 2022 made over $29 per hour. Now that's equivalent to about $1,161 per 40-hour work week, or over $5,000 every month. Now, by comparison, the median weekly earnings for a full-time wage and salary workers totaled over $1,000, or about $54,000 annually in the second quarter of 2022. Where a YouTube channel job is based can also drastically influence how much the job pays. In places like California, YouTube channel job salaries are well above the national average. In Sunnyvale, California, the hourly YouTube rate is over $36, or $1,450 per week. In places like Diamondale, Michigan, Cambridge, Massachusetts, and Lake Marcel, Stillwater, Washington, YouTube channel jobs have an average hourly wage more than $34 each. If all of these dollar signs have you excited to become the next Mr. Beast, getting started on YouTube is actually quite easy. But if all you're looking for is a chance to work for a YouTube channel, which is not a bad idea, and make some good money, simply get online, visit an online site, and look for jobs that have the words YouTube channel in their description. ZipRecruiter would be one of them, and I'm sure you'll find others. But instead, if you're looking to become the master of your own YouTube channel as a side hustle, you'll want to pay attention. Here are some tips that'll help you get started. Tip number 1, don't invest in a lot of equipment right away. That means don't spend a lot of money on expensive video and editing equipment. You can use basic equipment or even your smartphone. Now, this is especially true if you've never created video content before. I started with my iPhone camera, so my advice is don't spend a lot of money on something that you may not want to do in the future. You don't know until you try it, but if you want to be successful on YouTube, it will take a lot of work. You'll need to be dedicated and likely learn some new skills. Bottom line, to start, keep your costs very low. If your YouTube channel takes off, then feel free to upgrade your gear. Tip number 2, find a niche you like or you're good at. Now, if you don't like video games, don't try to act like you do. It's a good idea to pick a topic that you actually like and can talk about in your videos with lots of energy. Because if your interest in a topic is lacking, you're likely to become uninterested very quickly. Also, people are more inclined to connect with you if they notice you have a passionate energy for the subject matter that you're speaking about. Tip number 3, you want to do keyword searches so you can gauge ad money potential for your channel. To help your YouTube channel reach its fullest potential, It's definitely important to understand the keywords that you should be targeting by using Google Ads, Google Trends, or even a free version of vidIQ. You can get an idea of how popular certain topics have been over time and what people are searching for. This will allow you to create content that resonates with your target audience and drives more views for your videos. For example, fidget spinners may not be the ideal search term to target as their relevance has definitely passed. Rather than chasing a fleeting trend like fidget spinners, you want to aim for topics that have long-lasting value and appeal. Tip number 4, follow the YouTube rules. Seems simple, some don't do it. But if you make videos for YouTube, follow their rules about what kind of videos you can make. You could get in trouble if you make videos that are too violent or dangerous, or if you talk about sensitive subjects. You could also get your video taken down if you use music or pictures that you do not have permission to use.